Hello, hello, and welcome to Cork's Dollar Food Addiction, where we find foods that cost a hell out of a dollar. And check them out. From the dollar store tonight, what? More soup? Yes. More soup. Campbell's Homestyle, ready to enjoy. Country style chicken noodle. Not your chicken noodle you were thinking. Calories, 120. Cholesterol, 25. Sodium, 790. Chicken stock, chicken meat. Here it is. Not the noodles you were expecting. And carrots, we can see them. Chicken meat. Well, I'm not seeing it. But wait, is that chicken meat? Possibly. Let's try the broth. Oh, look, chicken meat. Okay, it's not the same broth as the chicken noodle soup. For one thing, it's a different color. See? And it doesn't taste the same. It doesn't taste as salty, for one thing. Oh well. Let's try a noodle. Oh look, more chicken meat. Noodle has some body to it. Chicken meat tastes like it's been boiled to death. No crunch to the carrot, but then you don't need crunch, I guess. I wish I could say, gosh, that's good. It's not bad. Someplace in between. Oh look, more chicken. Look at that. Another piece of chicken. Well, I would put a salad and a glass of wine, but I had a cheeseburger and a malt for lunch, and I think I can do it. My bad. So that's it for Campbell's Home Style, ready to enjoy country style chicken noodle. That's these big noodles, I guess. Okay. For a dollar store can of soup, I guess it's fine. Would I get it again? No. I wouldn't. Likes a flavor that I want that I can't describe, so never mind. Be seeing you.